This does not seem like it was worth it. Can't get any worse now.
12 seconds later.
I told you I was coming.
I didn't think you were.
Double kill.
Multi-kill.
I'm not dealing with this. Wait, actually, hold on. I want to live. I think I made a mistake.
I found some candy!
I think I'm stuck. Zen, look at me.
Ultra kill. Monster kill.
Where that guy walks in and the room's on fire.
A really good day.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh god, I didn't teach Rummy how to get inside.
There's no fucking shot.
They're definitely not dead.
That was so funny.
Let me face my fears.